Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a vibrant and stylish accessory for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. The blue and pink leopard print cotton candy cheetah skin pattern case. This eye-catching case not only adds a pop of color to your device but also provides solid protection. Constructed with a premium scratch-resistant polycarbonate shell and a shock-absorbent TPU liner, this two-part protective case is designed to withstand accidental drops and impacts. The combination of durability and style is impressive, making it a suitable choice for those who want both functionality and aesthetics. The vivid blue and pink leopard and cheetah pattern immediately caught my eye. It's like having a slice of cotton candy on your phone. The case is printed in the USA, ensuring quality and attention to detail. Installation is a breeze with its user-friendly design. The form factor is a bumper style, complementing the sleek profile of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The precise cutouts provide easy access to ports, buttons, and the camera, maintaining the device's functionality. If you're someone who loves to make a statement with your accessories, this blue and pink leopard print cotton candy cheetah skin pattern case is definitely worth considering. It not only keeps your iPhone 12 Pro Max protected but also adds a touch of personality to your device. So, if you're in the market for a stylish and durable case, give this one a look. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.